Today we're headed back out to that 12,000 square foot Florida ranch style house to actually go over the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough ends with project manager Savannah Banning. All right, Savannah, we're back after framing for the rough ends, the mechanical, electrical, and air conditioning rough ends. So what I'm looking at here looks like the plumbing rough ends. So why don't you take us through where this, how this works into the wall and where it goes?
All right, right now we are in the laundry room. We have a plumbing stack that is going to take any type of smells that come from your water pipes, your toilets, etc. That is going to take it up through the roof deck and out of the house. We have a sink that is going right here. Obviously the components of our sink, we have a drain. We have our water lines, hot and cold, and this would actually be the drain that would go into your septic tank. All right, so right here is where our washer machine would be. We have our water supply lines and our drain. This is our dryer vent. This is gonna take all of the hot air up and out of your house.
Well, let's move into the kitchen and we can see a lot of the electrical and some of the air conditioning and venting of the hood and that type of thing.
Sounds good.
All right, let's go. All right, Savannah, we're in the kitchen and I see a lot going on in this wall. Tell me a little bit about everything that I see from the floor to the ceiling.
Well, this is a chef's kitchen in the making. We are going to have a double range, 72-inch range, a cooktop, and a 72-inch vent hood to match. This pipe right here, this is for your vent hood. This is going to bring all that steam and all that grease and anything else up through this vent and out through your roof deck.
And it's all hidden in the wall like we were talking before.
Yep.
I see the outlets for the ranges. What are all the other yellow and white wires that I see running through here?
So the yellow and white wires, the smaller gauge wire, that's going to be for your outlets and your light switches. Yeah, this is gonna be like if you need to plug in any small appliances, countertop appliances, mixers, blenders, what have you.
So this is in a chef's kitchen. This is where the magic happens. This is where all the appliances will be.
Yep.
Awesome. And now I see a huge box in the wall here. What's this?
So that is actually your electrical panel where all your wires are running to, and that room is the mechanical room on the other side of this wall.
Okay, but we can see all the wires running out of the top of it here.
Yes.
And obviously the huge wire coming in from the top.
That is your main power supply. That is going to run all the way through the house, out of the house, and to your transformer.
Okay, and this is cool because we can see the home runs that actually run up through the ceiling going to different parts of the house through the entire house. All right, now coming over here to the island, what's really cool is people wonder, well, how does all of that transfer and translate over to the island? And I see both electrical and plumbing here, right?
Yep, this is where we're going to have a nice big sink. We have hidden outlets that are going to be in the backsplash of this island.
Okay.
That way you can plug in any phone chargers, any small appliances, anything that you might need to do while you're in the kitchen.
That's great, that's great. So dishwasher, sink, everything can be right here and we'll connect to this drain and then the hot and cold supplies as well as power.
Yep.
That's great. Well, let's look at the air conditioning so we can see how that comes into the house.
Okay.
So here we are in the front bedroom of the house to talk about the air conditioning. As you can see, it's not in the walls. So how does it get from the central unit here? Savannah, take us through it.
Well, all of your AC is going to be coming above you. So follow me and I'll show you where it's coming from.
Perfect.
As you look above your head, you can see all these shiny ducts that are flowing throughout the entire house. This is going to take your air from the central units all the way throughout the house. I am heading into one of the 2 mechanical rooms for this house. This is going to store 2 out of the 4 AC units that are going to provide constant and even flow for this side of the house.
I hope you learned something about the rough end phase of construction today. Thank you, Savannah, for taking us through it. We'll be back after drywall to see the transformation.
See you then.